Do you want to try rolling in first?
Can we do it?
No.
My name is Thanos, and I'm here to introduce the best fall montage in Braille history. After you see all of the falls, you will also see all of the lands, because everything must be perfectly balanced, and only I see that. But on a serious note, we have finally, Daniel, beautiful Australian Daniel, got a bunch of videos from Braille Army of our guys skating. Fetty, Troy, Nigel, Aaron, Carlos, everyone's skating. Even a couple Doug clips. But he takes a bunch of the falls, puts them into a giant montage, and boom, your eyes should enjoy them. So I hope you guys are ready. You guys have been asking for this for a long time. So without further ado, Thanos introduces the Braille first ever fall montage.
I needed that.
It's a different perspective when you're on the other side of the fall. Oh. Close the door.
can try it next. That's so funny.
Yes!
Oh my god.
Yes!
Yes! Yes! Yes!
And we are done with the fall / land montage. I guess it's a little bit of both. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm very much looking forward to reading your comments. Who do you guys think had the best fall? I want you to comment. Damn. That was intense. I want you guys to comment below what your favorite fall is. Put the timestamp so we know exactly what you're talking about. And let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. So until then, you can subscribe, you can like, and you can leave a comment below. And if you guys feel like it, you can check out Fetty Almost Dies. There's about 40 episodes of them on Braille Army, so you can go on Braille Army and check those out. But until then, thank you guys so much. Thanos spares you today, but everything must be perfectly balanced. Pound it. Thank you. I will spare your life.